Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you an easy method to make delicious chili. First, gather all your ingredients, such as 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 cans of kidney beans, and 1 can of diced tomatoes. Next, brown your ground meat in a large pot over medium heat, ensuring to drain any excess fat. Finally, combine all the remaining ingredients into the pot, preparing for a flavorful simmer. For our easy chili, you will need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey, which provides a hearty base. We will also incorporate 2 15-ounce cans of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, along with 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Don't forget your spices: 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Once all your ingredients are combined, bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Immediately reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 1 hour. This slow cooking allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference, adding more salt or spice if desired. Your delicious homemade chili is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot in bowls, topped with your favorite additions like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh chopped green onions. For an extra burst of freshness, a sprinkle of cilantro works wonders. Any leftover chili can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.